Hey guys, it's Jeff Label, the Wandering Viking. Just posted my first YouTube video. It's pretty cool. Sorry about the video quality. It's kind of piecing this together as I go along. When I get some better video equipment, I will be doing some better videos. Some information. Next year, March 1st, 2019, I'll be leaving from Dartmouth, Nova Scotia, headed to Victoria, BC. Doing a through hike along the Trans-Canada Trail. Later on, I'll be posting hopefully a video a week as time permits. Doing some gear lists, some of my gear reviews, and then going forward it'll be videos on the hike. So I hope that everybody enjoys this, and if you do, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, so you can keep up with all of my videos. And if you want to help support me along this journey, I've got a GoFundMe page up. There'll be a link down below in the comment section with all of my social media and the link to my GoFundMe page. I'm running a GoFundMe page right now. Later on, I'm going to try to get a Patreon page up and going. Then we'll be able to do a little bit better videos. But as for now, this is just a quick video to get me started. Hope you guys like it, and here we go. It's cold out. A little cold and snowy out. It's a good 15K hike so far though. So I'm walking the Edmonton River Valley 15K night hike in a snowstorm. I don't know if that was the brightest thing to do, but screw it, eh? Got to train somehow. Best training is the most difficult positions, right? But I think it was a little much for today. Oh well, gotta finish it now.